Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can redo in Pro Tools. So we can also use these menu options or shortcut options. So let's go and do that. I will change here this one, and now I want to redo. So shortcut redo, it will be on Windows Control Shift and Z. On Mac will be Control Shift and CMD Z. Then if you want this to do through the menu, you can also go to Edit, where it is, and right here undo trim clip, just like that. So with a shortcut, it will be something like that. So as I saw right here, mine has the can't undo is Control Y. Redo trim clip is not Z but Y. So I have different keyboard, so it can be Y and Z switched. So take notice on that. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.